Hello YouTube, just got my last wheel and I got 2 of the tires that I ordered. It's time to open this stuff up. Let me flip this over. Okay, let's take this out of the box and check for blemishes. Okay, we have no scratches or blemishes. Looks pretty good. There's the emblem. Now this is an 18 by 8. These are the back wheels. The front wheels are going to be 17 by 7. And I just got the tires that go with it. Now let's take a look at the tires. And these are the tires for the back. These are from Westlake. They are 225 45 ZR 18s. Nice performance tire, almost 8.5 inch wide, patch right here. A little profile for the larger wheel, and they should look good in the back of the Taurus. This is the widest and tallest I can get, and it's going to be real close to the tire height of the original tire, so I don't have to worry about speedometer reading off or anything like that. And it should look good on there. Next video I'm going to post is me painting the letters on this. This should be very interesting. Let's see how it turns out. Until next video.